Well, Porsche is unique, but Leith Porsche has a way of making your Porsche even more so for you with Porsche-approved certified pre-owned cars. You benefit with a Porsche experience thanks to a painstaking process that starts with choosing the best cars, the best examples of Porsche excellence. Then, to put you in the know, we document the car's history with a Carfax or AutoCheck report. Next, you benefit with an exhaustive 111-point inspection. Here at Leith Porsche, the process reflects the kind of thoroughness that you'd expect from technicians in the Porsche factory in Germany. All repairs and reconditioning are then carried out to strict Porsche standards, so your Porsche can realize every bit of its sports car potential. Incidentally, every Porsche is a sports car, even our SUVs. Next, to underwrite your investment, your Leith Porsche comes with a Porsche-approved Certified Pre-Owned Limited Warranty. Our price at Leith Porsche includes full coverage warranty from Porsche. It's for up to 2 years or up to unlimited miles with zero deductible. Importantly, this is on top of any remaining original 4-year, 50,000-mile factory warranty. So at Leith Porsche, the peace of mind you deserve is all yours. Equally, you benefit with Porsche roadside assistance 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. With your Porsche-approved certified pre-owned car, benefit with a lifestyle experience like no other. With Leith Porsche behind you, that experience is even more accelerated.